Hey guys, welcome back. This is gonna be a quick video. I have a Beebeecraft haul. I only picked 4 items, so let me show you what I got. Okay, so first I picked out these really cute pastel beads. Really cute. Love the colors. So these are gonna be fun to work with. And then I picked out these right here, and these, I like how everything is packaged the way it is. Let me see, and you get a lot. So this is what they look like. I don't know if you guys can see, they have like these little diamonds on the side. Super cute. And again, you get a ton. So that's that right here. Then I had to get these, and these are these, I don't know what they're called. Are these lobster clasps? I'm not sure. But they come with the bead. Perfect for when you make your like tassels and stuff and charms. So I can't wait to play with these. And again, they come in the plastic and also in a little container. So I love that. Look how cute. Love that. Then I also got these small tassels. Sorry for the wrinkling. Hold on. Oh my gosh, how freaking cute are these? Look how cute. Oh my god, they're so soft. Love how tiny these are. Oh my god, these are so freaking cute. So my dog is here. You're gonna hear him. How freaking cute. I love that they're all individually like covered. How adorable are these? So yeah, this was my quick Beebeecraft haul, and I'll be back with some projects, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.